This is Doki Doki Programming Club, a visual novel based on a game called Doki Doki Literature Club that parodies the computer science classroom, the AP test, as well as the robotics programming department.
So, how do you play our game? Well, all you do is simply click through each scene and read the text given on each scene, and you also watch.
The way you win is by reaching the end of the story, and there is no score. That's it.
So our features we have in our game is that it has a storyline that talks about our robotics classroom and also our computer science classroom in our school. We incorporated our own GUI, transitions, and a wholesome amount of memes throughout the story. And also incorporated simple controls because we decided to just have a single click for each scene rather than having a bunch of keyboard buttons to press for a single game.
So we have several plans for improvement on our game. First of all, music. Music makes everything significantly more interesting. On top of that, some of the transitions are a little janky right now, and if we optimize the code, it would not only look better, but it would run better. The story is also perfectly linear, and for a visual novel, that is a big no-no. Visual novels are supposed to be impacted by the player's choices in the story, and right now, that isn't true. We also want to make the minigames more, better. They're a little work in progress right now.
So we also use the swing library and buffer image class in the Java libraries in order to have images such as bacon, as you can see here in the scene. Also a picture of the background for each scene as well.
So this is the actual coding behind DDPC. We did it all ourselves with the exception of using swing and the buffered image class. So the way the game basically works is it's an array list of scenes, and the game just iterates through those, and we have a for loop that iterates through them, and it does certain things when certain things happen. We also have our scene class, right? And our scene class is an extension of the JPanel component, right? Which means that our scene acts like a JPanel, and so we can use it with Swing very easily. And then we have our pictures class, which is basically full of constants, and it's also where our transitions happen, and that's the thing that needs improving.